Yo, what's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today I'll be sharing just a quick hack on how I was able to stop blowing my accounts, and I'll be assisting you with giving you the strategy you'll be able to apply it, and also you can become profitable as long as you follow your risk management and become patient and also stay in your lane. But guys, without going to the charts, please guys offer your support by clicking the like and the subscribe button so that you can always be notified every time I drop a new video. This channel is made for you, so I appreciate if you offer your support as well. Let's go into the charts. Yes, guys, now I'm on gold. I want to show you guys. You see, this is what we predicted. The market will moved in our favor. Definitely touched our first TP, and then we are definitely still pushing to the downside. But then I want to show you just a quick hack on how I was able to understand and stop blowing my accounts. Let's go to daily. The quick hack that you need to understand will be simply by understanding the nature of the market. As I always explain that in the market, you need to understand that when we are having price above this line, which is more like the management line or the trend line, we are pushing to the upside. But sometimes you get to see the movement happening in this scenario. How would you know that we're gonna continue to push to the upside? By mere fact that this failed to break this low, Yes, sometimes what it can do, it can come a little bit, break this high on this left hand side, but then if it doesn't break this, something like this, if it doesn't break this, then we are definitely still pushing to the upside. So for us to say now we have broken, we have to have a retest on this low and then we push to the downside. So this is just a quick hack that you need to understand. Let me show you how it was significant in this. So gonna be spotting this certain move so that you don't get caught on the wrong side. Here's another one. We have our low here and then we have our high here, right? Let me just stretch it. We have our low here. For me to say that this setup has been validated, is no longer pushing up, we have to break this low, retest, and then I would know that we are now pushing to the downside. But then can you see that we broke um, this high coming down, but then we reversed here, you understand? So it respected this low. So you just have to understand the mere fact of understanding how the market will move in this certain scenarios. Look, we have push and then this, right? And then what did we do? Yes, we broke this low, but look at this low that started this movement. Then the low that decided that we are now pushing to the upside. Look, we came here and what? We pushed further up. So that on its own explains to you that this is a very strong low. So we might as well say this low is the one holding the movement to the upside, because you can see that ever since it touched this point here, it has never came back to this point. So look what it did. It started to create a new low and then created another low here. This was the third touch point. You see, 1, 2. So now it created what? Another low. Then this another low. So can you see, as it keeps on pushing to the upside, it's what is moving, creating what is it, new low, what is it, higher highs, new higher highs, and new low, higher highs, new low, higher highs, new low. So the higher lows, you need to understand that they will simply give you a move in the direction. I want to show you another one. Another one will be this one. You see, we have our high here, right, as a double top. But then can you see what happened? We pushed to the downside, then we came here, created this new high, and then we pushed down. Then we came back to retest it. We never passed it. So now we have a what? An M type of formation, which is a double top. Then we push further to the downside. And if we come back here to the side, you can see we also have what? This move pushing to the upside and then coming back again to go down. You understand? So you need to understand how the information it's shown. You understand? So as you know, in the market, you're moving in a stance of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But in what is it? In a this will be happening in an uptrend, and then in a downtrend, you will know that you will have your high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low. You understand? So that will happen in this form. Understand? So, but always remember that the market won't just be showing you the exact moves or making obvious for you to be able to take those trades. So, in that manner, you will have to use your trend lines to be able to spot the chart patterns that are definitely showing you that yes, indeed, I'm pushing to the downside, but eventually my overall direction is to the upside. So you need to be aware of those different scenarios, making sure that you understand what is really happening and also in the market of some sort. So guys, make sure all the time you are able to understand what is really happening. As you can see here, um, the difference here was you understanding that the market will always move in this manner. So you can see even here we had a little bit of a, this is an expanding triangle in a downward manner. So you can see that we know that it is being expanding, but then at the bottom, it definitely get a point whereby it will push to the upside. So let's go to 1 hour. Where is this chart now? Okay, okay, there you are. Okay, fine. So now we go 1 hour. So basically, you can see what is happening here. Remember what I said, don't be marrying your trend using this management line, something like this. But you can see here, if you put it here, you simply be organized that you understand that the market has chances of pushing further to the upside. But what is the trend say? What is the trend telling you? What is the chart pattern telling you? See this ones. So you can see here 1 2, it never reached here, but then if it with this one, with this correction here, but then if you took this one would have said now it's broke and it's pushing up. That's what I rectified one of our mentees, that you don't need to mirror this management line, use it as a guidance just to see. But this is very much important, because this will definitely show you that what we are in a what, in a corrective manner. Understand this? So make sure you understand what is currently happening in the market, and also please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. I hope this video was enjoyed, you took notes, and you were able to understand the hack that I exposed to you, I revealed to you. So make sure you click the link below to register with the broker that I'm using in order for you to get lower spreads, 100% bonus. So let's make sure we stay winning. From your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero, Ofentse Ledwaba. Thank you.